In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an STL from Fusion 360. If you're getting ready to 3D print or share a model with someone who uses a different tool, exporting to STL is a quick and reliable way to go. STL files describe the surface of your model as a mesh of triangles, which most slicers and fabrication tools understand. Start by opening your 3D model in Fusion 360. Make sure the design is the one you intend to export and that any last-minute edits are saved. It helps to check your browser panel so you know exactly which body or component you plan to export. If you want the entire model, you'll export the whole design. If you only need a specific part, you'll target that body or component. There are two simple ways to begin the export. You can go to the top menu and choose File, then Export. This path is great when you want the entire design or when you prefer to set everything from a single dialog. Alternatively, in the browser, right-click the specific body or component you want and choose Save as Mesh. This option is perfect for exporting just one piece of a larger assembly without touching the rest. Next, choose STL as the file type. You may see other formats like 3MF or OBJ, but STL remains the most universally compatible for 3D printing. If you see options for binary or ASCII, binary is smaller and faster to process and is almost always the better choice. Now adjust the refinement settings. You'll typically see high, medium, and low. High produces a denser mesh that captures curved surfaces more smoothly, ideal for parts with fillets, organic shapes, or cosmetic surfaces. Medium is a great everyday setting that balances quality and file size for most mechanical parts. Low creates a lighter file that's faster to handle but may show fasting on curves. If your part has tight radii or critical mating surfaces, lean toward medium or high. If it's a draft or a functional prototype without complex curves, low may be enough. Keep in mind that higher refinement increases file size and processing time. When you're happy with the settings, click OK or Save. Choose a clear location on your computer and give the file a descriptive name so you can find it later. A quick tip, include the project name and version in the file name to avoid confusion. And that's it. Your STL is ready to bring into your slicer or share with collaborators. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.